Hey y'all, so I'm back with another video. I want to do a makeup look, and I guess we'll just call it a get ready with me. It's not gonna be like a how to do XYZ. I really don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna figure something out. My color is going to be purple just because that's my favorite color, and I want to honor those that are still in the fight for lupus. And I want to just get dolled up. I haven't done that in a while, so I figured I'd record it and bring it to you guys. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get to the video. So let me see. First, my face is kind of oily because it's not morning. I did get up and go to church this morning. So first, I'm gonna go ahead and just use this toner, this Clinique toner, and put this all over my face to kind of get rid of that oiliness, especially right up in here. I'm gonna go in and do my brows. I'm using my favorite, the Milani brow pencil. It's an automatic brow pencil. This is in the color dark brown. I did go buy a new concealer. Well, it's not new, but it's new to me. This is the Maybelline New York color medium. I don't know, that might be a little bit too light for my under eye. I don't like my under eye to be too bright, so let's go back to my tried and true, my Old Faithful, the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I believe this color is, I don't know, rubbed off. I think it's almond. That's what I usually use. So. I got some new brushes too. The BH Cosmetic Royal Affair. Of course, they're in purple. But I'm still gonna use some of my old Sonia Cusack brushes. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face so it can sit while I do my eye makeup. I'm using my NYX Shine Killer. Anyway, I'm using my NYX Shine Killer. This is a mattifying primer. And I'm also going to use my e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. The e.l.f. primer right in here, just because this is where my pores are usually big. And also put it right up in here. Then I take the NYX primer and just put that everywhere else. So let me go ahead and just do one eye so I'm not sitting here forever. Cause I actually have somewhere to go. So I'm gonna do one eye off camera and I'll come back and show you how I did it and do it on the other eye. I'm back. This is what I came up with. So we gonna roll with it. Y'all, FYI, I don't wear lashes. I never have. I tried it a couple times and they just don't work for me. They irritate my eyes or they just look super fake. So I hope I put these on right. If not, then don't laugh at me. Because these coming out right off as soon as I finish this video. But yeah, this is what I got so far. I like it. Got a little glitter going on, a little semi-cut crease, or halo eye, or whatever it is you want to call it, where it's light in the center and dark around the outside. But yeah, let me touch up my eyeliner really quick, and then we'll get to this side and show you how I did it. All right, so zoom you in a little bit. I did prime my eye. I went ahead and used the Maybelline concealer because I felt like it'd be a good eye primer. I'm also gonna use it under my eye, but we'll get there later. But yeah, just put this all over. Went ahead and blended it out with my finger. So I got this BH Cosmetics palette for Christmas, and it is the Royal Affair palette. Can you see that? Yeah, there you go. It has 20 color shadow palettes. This is what the inside looks like. So I'm going to go in first with the color Majesty right here. That's gonna be my transition color, and then I'm gonna follow up with this one down here, which is called Prince. So I'm taking this BH Cosmetics brush. It's just like a fluffy blending brush. This wider fluffy brush, also from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to go into the color in the same palette. The color is called Regal. This maroon purpley shade right over here. And we're going to go a little bit under the transition, also dragging this into the inner corner. Now I'm going to go into my Old Faithful, my Morphe palette, the 35P palette. This one has all of my purples. These last two colors, this one and then this one. So we're going to go in with the lighter purple. Actually, I think when I did this, I mixed both of them. So let's mix both of them. But we're going to go in with those and just put those on the outer corner like that. Bring it into that crease a little bit, and we're gonna put it also in the inner corner. So I'm just gonna keep layering that on until I get the intensity that I want. I'm gonna go into this dark color in the same Morphe palette. This looks like a chocolate brown or something, but I'm gonna go into that. and put this on my outer corner also. Just gonna take a little bit of this concealer and just carve out that middle piece like I did on this eye. Then I'm going to go in with my Revlon glitter pen. We got glitter on one side and then like a metallic eyeshadow on the other side. And we're going to put that over top of this concealer. These are by Ardell. They are the wispies, the demi wispies. Here's what they look like. Like I said, I don't wear lashes ever. So what made me choose these is I follow Alyssa Ashley on YouTube, and she, when I first started working with her, she always used the Ardell wispies, and hers look, you know, as natural as possible for cheap lashes, strip lashes. And I also like these because they don't have that dark black line. They have like, they call it like Invisalign or something. See what they look like? It's not like a super dark line, which I like because, like I said, I want it to look as natural as possible. We put that glue on. We're just gonna let that sit for a little bit. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do my liner. The NYC liquid liner or the NYX liquid liner. They're pretty much the same. So for my face, it's already primed. And I'm going to be using my Fenty foundation. This is in the color 420. And I'm gonna blend it out using the Beauty Blender.